If you need to present a PowerPoint on Google Meet, this video will show you the fastest and easiest way to do it clearly and professionally. Whether you're joining a class, a team meeting, a client call, or a virtual presentation, you can share your slides in just a few clicks. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to open your PowerPoint, join Google Meet, share your screen, and start your slideshow so everyone can see your presentation smoothly. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Now let's jump right in. First, open your PowerPoint file and make sure your presentation is ready before you join the meeting. It's always a good idea to check that your slides are saved, your content is finalized, and everything looks the way you want it to. If you have speaker notes, animations, or transitions, make sure those are set up ahead of time so you don't waste time during the call. Keeping your PowerPoint open and ready will make the presenting process much smoother. Next, go ahead and join your Google Meet meeting. You can either start the meeting yourself or join one that someone else has created. Once you're inside the meeting, take a second to make sure your microphone and camera are working if needed. If you're planning to talk through the slides, it helps to test your audio before presenting so everything runs without issues. Now, look to the bottom right corner of your Google Meet window and click on Present Now. This is the main option that lets you share your screen with everyone in the meeting. After clicking it, you'll usually see a few sharing choices. You can choose your entire screen if you want to show everything happening on your computer, or you can choose a window if you only want to share your PowerPoint window. If you want to keep things focused and avoid showing other tabs or notifications, choosing the PowerPoint window is usually the better option. Once you select the screen or window you want to share, Google Meet will begin showing your content to the other participants. But before you start speaking, you should also start your slideshow in PowerPoint. You can do this by pressing F5 on your keyboard or by going to Slideshow and selecting From Beginning. This puts your presentation into full screen mode and makes it much easier for your audience to follow along. At this point, your slides should now be visible to everyone in the meeting. You can move through your slides using your arrow keys, spacebar, or click controls, just like you normally would during a presentation. If you selected a single PowerPoint window, only that presentation will be shared. If you selected your entire screen, then anything you do on your computer may be visible, so be mindful of switching apps or opening other windows. A helpful tip is to test this process once before an important meeting. That way, you'll know exactly where the Present Now button is, how your slides look to others, and whether your audio is working properly. A quick test can save you from stress later and make your presentation feel much more polished and confident. When you're finished presenting, you can stop sharing from Google Meet and exit the slideshow in PowerPoint. That wraps up the entire process from start to finish. It's really that simple. Open your PowerPoint, join Google Meet, click Present Now. Choose your screen or window and start your slideshow. If this tutorial made the process easier for you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.